R.A. Katur is the Director India Operation, Hongfa Group. Sir, what is the difference between means 1 year back and now doing business in India?
Yeah, 1 year back we were doing good. Now we are improved a lot because earlier we are very strong in power electronics, power relays, and also signal relays. Today we are entered in automotive and also smart meter. That's the latching relays. We are entered and we are expanding our growth every year by year. Yes.
So are you increasing your product portfolio as well?
Yes, very much, very much. Yes.
So I've come across the news that you are buying the companies in US, and also can you highlight?
Yeah. We
certain
bought
points on that?
one company we bought recently. We acquired the company that is KG Technologies. They are one of the biggest manufacturers of latching relays.
Okay.
That is for smart meter application. So we acquired recently, and Hongfa is today you can say Hongfa is the number one relay manufacturer in the world. In terms of, I'm talking about only relays. See, whereas in the top leaders in the globally are Omron, Tyco, and Panasonic.
Okay.
See, Omron, Tyco, and Panasonic, they have a different products. Like if you take Omron, they have a medical products. If you take Tyco, they have a connectors, other products. And also Panasonic, they have apart from relays, they have audio and video. See, video products also. Whereas Hongfa has got only relays.
Okay.
We are manufacturing. That way, I can say proudly, I can say we are the number one.
So how big unit you have in China?
We have China very big unit. Our area, our factory area is 7,60,000 square meters. Yes, it's a 23 group company, and recently we acquired about 2,60,000 square meters company. Our total now it comes to around 7,60,000 square meters. Yes.
And what is the strength of the company now?
We have around 12,000 plus, and these are direct employees, and also we have indirect employees. Yes.
See, when we talk about India, so what is the percentage of market you are catering to?
I can say, globally I think we are around 6 to 7% globally.
Okay.
This is very big. If 6 to 7% is not very big. In India, we are leaders. You can say we are today. Hongfa is the leaders in India. Yes.
So technically also, can you explain technologically your products? Means technologically how upgraded they are, or is being upgraded every means now and then? So means how it is?
Yeah, we are upgrading every year. You take an example of we'll have 160 series we have now, and 40,000 specifications.
Okay.
Every year we add around 10 to 15%, 15 relays. Every year we add with new technology, with low cost, with low energy. So we add every year in all the sectors, not only in power. That's what I said. We are manufacturing power relays, signal relays, and industrial relays, latching relays, and hermetical seal relays. Apart from that, we are also manufacturing low voltage devices like contactors, MCCB, ACB, etc.
And how many percentage you are investing on research and development?
Around minimum in terms of USD, around 15 million we are investing. Yes, it's a very big. Yes, that's what over turnover wise we 10 to 15% we are investing on new developments.
Are you working on the newest technology in relays, or do you have any patent in your name?
We have patent 160 series. We have patent now.
Okay.
Yes.
That is a big one.
Yes, very big, very big. Yes.
Is there any when yuan is coming down?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
The government has a policy to export that the yuan is coming down.
Yes.
So what is the impact of yuan is coming down on your export or your business?
Normally in India we import a lot than exports in India. But in China they export a lot, then imports is less. That way India we are not much affected, but it's affected because they're reduced by 3 times, they're devaluated.
No, but
it's affected.
When the currency is devaluated, so your product is cheaper in India, or it is what?
That we cannot say that, because we are reduced prices also now. Not, but depends on because USD has gone up. So we are reduced whichever some of the fast moving relays, we are reduced the prices. Like sugar cube relays, we are manufacturing around 40 million pieces per month.
Okay.
So those types of relays we are reduced some little bit, not much, because of devaluation, yuan devaluation, plus also USD has gone up.
So this price difference is being passed on to your customers.
Yes, some of the things we have done, some of the relays where we get more profit,
Okay.
we have passed on some percentage.
So do you have any offer here in EP India?
Pardon?
Any offer to your clients?
We
Do you,
are
have you come with any offers?
which what in the
Offer on your products, offer on your services, offer on anything you have.
we are giving already very good services in India, no?
Mhm.
Otherwise, we will not be leading in India today. Because of our services, because of our price, because of our quality, because of our norms, we are our parts, Hongfa relays are ROSE and also REACH compliant. Apart from that, we have all UL and quality systems. That is a mandatory today. And apart from price, also is a very tough competition is there. But still, we maintain.
There are few companies, big companies from China, they are coming to India and they are setting up their units in India.
Okay.
So is there any, what do you see, is there any impact on their business in China? There is a flow from China to India. So how do you see it?
I agree, but see, Hongfa is already, we have our own norms. We don't want, we will select the customers. See, we don't want to compromise on quality. Whatever they, for Hongfa, it will not impact much because every big companies, they know about Hongfa quality. So it will not much effect will be there for Hongfa.
No, can Hongfa think of manufacturing in India?
In future, but we are planning now. But we are planning after a couple of years, we are thinking now. Because in China the price, the labor cost has gone up, the manufacturing cost have gone up. That's why we did all automation. But still we plan because there is ample opportunity. We can set up our own plant in India because the investment will be very high. So that's the reason top management is thinking. But definitely there is ample opportunities there in India to set up a factory.
So are you satisfied with the recent government's initiative on infrastructure and the power and the tax laws and the land acquisitions? So are you satisfied on those lines?
Yeah, India is they are doing a lot of things, but still they have to do a lot. This is not sufficient, no. They should be in action, no. See that if they do that, lot of factories, certainly a lot of manufacturing plants, it will come to India. I'm sure. Because already a lot of companies have moved from China now. It is coming to Vietnam, Thailand and India. Certainly there's ample opportunity, I feel. I strongly feel. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.